The biggest reason that most traders fail is because they don't understand market structure in the way that I am going to share today through this video. I promise that after watching this video, your trading will improve very much better. Hey guys, so in this video we will show you the exact candlestick patterns we use to identify trade opportunities. To begin, why are candlesticks vital to comprehend? Candlesticks convey a tale and represent what buyers and sellers are doing. This implies that the candlestick pattern that forms reveals a lot about what is going on at the time. Candlesticks can now be used in a variety of ways while buying and selling in the market. However, in this video, we will concentrate on integrating candlesticks with key levels. So, let's go through the precise candlestick patterns we want. The long wick candle is the first kind of candlestick we seek for. This is how a long wick candle appears. A hint of where the wick is reaching out. The deeper the wick, more effective the candle. So, how can we employ this candle type? We look to the left and observe that price came up, hit, and reversed dramatically, giving us a nice level of resistance now that price has returned to this level. We didn't have an idea if there could be a trade opportunity or not. You wait for price action to form at these crucial levels before deciding what to do. Price action can take many shapes, but in this case, we received a fantastic long wick candle that rejected resistance, resulting in a little bounce. So, what does the long wick candle tell us about price action? The long wick chart reveals that purchasers attempted but failed to raise the price, making the wick protrude. If purchasers had complete power, the candle would look like this, with a large body indicating momentum. These long wick candles can emerge as a result of profit taking at these crucial levels, as well as sellers entering the market. So let's go through this again. You look to the left and observe that each time the price reached this level, it hit and reversed dramatically, providing us with a critical level of support. Then, as price returned to this level, we were searching for price movement at the level. We first experienced a loss of momentum, with shrinking candles with a big candle, a smaller candle, and ultimately this green candle shape that is a very long wick candle, which demonstrates that price tried to push lower, but failed, causing the very long wick candle to close and then a bounce upwards. Now continuing on, the inside bar is the second candlestick type to look for. This is an inside bar with the high and low of the candle. Take note of how this candle is smaller and contained within the preceding candle's highs and lows. So, what does the inside bar tell us about price movement? It demonstrates that momentum was lost when the price failed to establish a higher high. Look to the left of this chart. You can see that the price hit this resistance level and reversed drastically. Now again, when price comes to this resistance level, you should be alert and waits for price actions to form. As here inside bar candlesticks form, this candle price is entirely within the price range of preceding candles. Now how to take trade at this level. If low of this candle breaks, you should think for short position. And here you can see how price reacts after reaching this level. So the next form of candle we look for is a momentum candle. This is how a momentum candle appears, where the body of the candle is larger than the body of the previous candle, indicating a gain in momentum. So, how can we make use of this candle type? The momentum candle is used after any type of rejection candle, such as a lengthy width candle or an inside bar. And we can see that price came up, hit, then reversed, providing us with a degree of resistance. As the price returned to this level, you saw many long wick candle rejections. Many traders may enter trades at these long wick candles, which is good. But for more secure traders, you can wait for the bearish momentum candle, which indicates that sellers are entering the market, causing the larger body momentum candle to form. Before we go, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that notification bell so you never miss any of our future content.